we will discuss perfect gas equation. PV is equal to nRT, P is equal to pressure, V is equal to volume, N equal to number of moles, N is equal to number of molecules, Kb is equal to Bose constant, Boltzmann's constant, N is equal to Avogadro's number, okay, Kb is equal to Na is equal to R, that is R is equal to universal gas constant, small n is equal to mass of gas in gram whole divided by molecular mass. Okay, then m0 is equal to molecular mass. Okay, R is equal to universal gas constant. According to Boyle's law, at a constant temperature, the volume of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to pressure. So, according to Boyle's law, we do not write the definition. According to Boyle's law, and T is equal to temperature, here we write T is equal to temperature. According to Boyle's law, V is inversely proportional to 1 by P, that is equation first. And according to Charles' law, V is directly proportional to T, that is, okay, pressure remaining constant, the volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Okay, then PV is equal to RT for 1 moles. PV is equal to nRT for n number of moles. Okay, then this is equation third. Okay, then we know n is equal to mass of gas in gram whole divided by molecular mass. 1 gram is equal to 1 and 1 by molecular mass is equal to n0. Okay, then we put the value of n in equation third, putting the value of n in equation third. Then what we will get? N is equal to PV is equal to nRT. We will write PV is equal to nRT. Equation third is PV is equal to nRT. Then we put the value of n in this, that means in this equation. So n 1 by m0 molecular mass into R into T. R is equal to universal gas constant, T is equal to temperature. Then we know PV is equal to R by m0 into T, RT by m0. Then R by m0 is equal to small r. We will write R by m0 is equal to small r. Then PV is equal to small r into T. Small r into T. Then we know PV is equal to N into R into T. Then capital R is equal to, we know capital R is equal to KB into NA, which we will write in above. N by NA Avogadro's law. Number of molecules per Avogadro's number is equal to number of moles into KB into Na, that is Avogadro's number, into T. KB into Na is equal to R. Then this will cancel. Then PV is equal to KB NT. KB NT. That means pressure into volume is equal to Boltzmann's constant into number of molecules into temperature. This is the pressure gas constant, pressure gas equation. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना। नमस्ते।